Good day, all. Ira Epstein with your Metal Market Wrap-Up, and this wrap-up is for a wild trading day, a frustrating day for a lot of traders. I'm not one of the guys, by the way, but a frustrating day because I talk to people during the day about it. And this is Thursday, the 13th of October, 2022, about 5:20 in the afternoon. So you get the CPI number. Here's that classic case that I told you that I'm not going to let that train come rolling down the track and I got to jump right. Had I been called, the word is had, I wasn't, and somebody gave me the CPI numbers, headline and core, I'd have been bearish as can be for today. Both numbers beating expectations to the upside. What did the market do? Put on one of the biggest rallies we've seen since 2020. One of the wildest, violent trading days you've seen because the trend traders got stepped on. They were right in being bearish. They were wrong in fighting Bollinger Bands. You hit the lower bands, you turned up. I didn't see this kind of rally happening, but I also wasn't going to be stepping in the way of this. And it took a little longer than the first half hour of trade after the stock market opened. In fact, the reaction on the CPI by itself without the stock market open, down, then an up move, and you were wondering what was going on. None of us that are pros could figure out what it was. I still can't. When we come to the gold market, you haven't lifted. You're still down 2% going into the end of the week. The market had a heck of a rally today, a huge outside day up. Okay, but it still has a pattern of lower highs, lower lows. I don't think you'd fight that. Where's the battleground? If you don't see the 18-day average, what I call that smart line in the sand, I don't know what more to tell you. That is so often where markets will fight a battle. What it does here, well, it's important. If today's high is taken out, well, until you take out today's low, you're going to give the market a bit of an impetus. It's not going to turn the swing line, but it'll give the market some bias to the upside. If the market takes out the lows of today, I'm betting hard you'll go to the 1629 level. Right now, hard one to figure out one way or the other. Momentum down, bias down. Gold-silver ratio, silver still losing to the gold market. Didn't rally very much for the day. Silver barely up, in fact. I'm not impressed. Still looking bearish to me as I see it. Copper, I've given you my opinion. Why would anybody want to go and fight with China or what they're going to do or not going to do? You have the world falling off a cliff on one side. You've got China positive on the other side. They've got to do something to save their property market, and that will likely involve money, infrastructure, finish up, demand copper, get those homes built. Otherwise, they fall off a cliff. In the platinum market, all you did is fall back to the combination of the 100-day average and the 18, and you held platinum. You went down, in this case, bigger. If you take a look at this market, you did fall. Here's where you were coming in. If this gives ground and you take out 2139, I think I said this yesterday evening, you could open the door to get down here. It's exactly what occurred and right where you bounced from. So was I surprised? I'm frankly not. Last, the dollar index didn't make it through these old highs. It's going to regroup, probably against the 18-day average to figure out what next. So what do you do with all this? Well, number one, you don't give up on being a trend trader. Days like today come out of left field, and if you learned anything from me, it's that you try to avoid major reports. Normally, the reaction set in much earlier than you got today. Today was unusual in many things. It's the way it goes. But we'll be writing about it. We did all day. We gave you ideas as to what to do in the market. Some of it was go to the cash positions, stand still. That's often the smart things that you do on crazy days. Then you let the dust settle like a day like tomorrow, and then you approach the market again. Want to get our ideas? Want to learn from us? Want to see what's going on in real time? It's simple. All you need to do is go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. You're going to see our free offers there. Give yourself a moment. Sign up for one. Take a look at a 2-week free trial. See if you like what we do, if it makes sense to you. You can also, by the way, come right up here, follow my magic finger. You see it. Click on the icon and away you go. I'm Ira Epstein. Talk to you tomorrow.